Oh no, another scam, another free energy scam. Oh Jesus. Seriously? Oh boy. Skeptical open mind, what are you? Skeptical open mind, what are you? I've got some news for you. What in the freaking hell? What are you? Hello? Oh, hey, skeptical. There you are. Another free energy scam. Yeah, you should definitely come check it out. Yes, I heard you. I know already. I'm coming. If you guys remember, a while ago I made a video exposing a simple free energy generator with spark plugs. Yeah, that was a clickbaiting video for obviously money and views. But what it looked like a very innocent video, today someone decided to turn into a real scam. Yes, let's go take a look.
Yes, today we are going to power a refrigerator with spark plug and socket. And after that, I'll show you how to construct this thing to be using in your house. You don't need to pay light bill, you don't need NEPA, generator, inverter. Please throw them away. You don't need all those things anymore. I'm going to show you with this refrigerator. So please, let us plug it in. You plug it in here and then put two magnet on the spark plug. You can see that it's working already. Come here to the back. If you look at the back, there is nothing like a socket or paper light, nothing. No. So let's check inside. And inside here, you can see it's working already. Consider that it's working. The power is from here, from spark plug, magneto only. So let us put water at this top and see how many hours it will work. Let's see how to do that here. And this one, let's see how long it's going to lock up here. It's just for test. You don't need this, not drinking anything or anything. Okay. Let's put this one. Yeah. The two of them are going to lock with the. Come up here. So you can see again, if I take off the magneto, it will turn off. So the bigger the magneto. Let us wait and see. Before that, let me take you to the theory, how to construct this. I'll show you. Then before we come and check how many hours. So let's go to the practical, please. Let's go. And that is it. Everything is done. Time for test. So let's go to the refrigerator. So let us see what is time now, sir. 6:25. This is 6:25 p.m. As you can see already, everything is blocked. Wow. Even this one safe. The middle safe are blocked. So let's see. Let me try and move. It's not enough. Okay. And the second one also. Wow. So as you can see, everything is blocked. This is from what time, sir? I think it's just about 5 hours to this time. And the power from just magneto, as you can see,
a free energy generator made out of just spark plugs and speakers. Well, if this guy is capable of making free energy in a living room, I'm pretty sure that I can replicate the free energy generator in about 1,000 square foot dedicated lab. Yes, let's do it. Today we're going to make some free energy out of spark plugs and speakers. As seen on YouTube, no trickery. 1 and 2. Plug. Ta-da! Let's see if there is any power in here. Ooh, we got power! And we also have our beautiful ice tray. Let's make some ice, guys. Wow, this thing is instantaneous. Ooh. So in 2021, we don't need a plastic bag to make some ice. We have ice trays. They just cost $1, store. And they're so convenient, you have no idea. That's it. Now you take this guy, carefully, you put it in here. You put it in the top compartment for freezing. Close it down. Let's wait a few hours and see if the ice is formed. Meanwhile, let's go talk about this. You know what? There are just about 8 million roughly engineers on this planet, between a science graduate of any kind. So, but you are the one watching YouTube, and you just found out a simple way to produce free electricity with spark plugs and speakers. I mean, even if you're not a graduate or an engineer, don't you think that all these people, they might have thought about it? Don't you think that you're probably not the real lucky and smart guy maybe that found out about free energy? Why don't you consult with other people and find out why no one uses spark plugs for making free electricity? That's all about. But today we're going to take a look at some of the comments regarding this video and see how people think when they watch these free energy generator videos on YouTube. Wow, found out another free energy scam on YouTube. Yes, this is not the first one, this is not obviously the last one. And the saga, the trilogy continues simply because YouTube likes to recommend this kind of videos. So this one reached about 320,000 views in a matter of months, with a ratio of 5,000 thumb up versus 400 down. So it's definitely one of the most suggested videos about free energy on YouTube, very recent. So if you're not a technical person or an engineer just minding your business watching YouTube, you end up obviously having this face in front of you. And straight up to the point, check out the comments and you will see, very interesting, keep it up. Can the 4 plugs be used to power television? No, it cannot, it's a scam, don't do it. Very interesting creativity. No, it's not. Scam, it's not creativity. It's a lie. It's a fraud. This should be a must-watch to all Nigerians. No, please do not have Nigerians watch this video. Nigerians are very smart people. This guy is a liar. Next comment. Hi, incredible work. What kind of incredible work? He put a couple of spark plugs on a piece of wood. What kind of incredible work you think he did? What is the size or the weight of the magnet? It doesn't matter. They're just speakers, and they're also different size. So they really don't make absolutely no sense. What about, this is what I call creativity. Keep it up. But this is what I call scam and a lie and a fraud. This guy is a fraud and not creativity. But here is the thing. as you can see, this is just a sample, a handful of people that just show you what actually people think about this free energy generator. And this is also the main reason why you have 5,000 thumb up versus 400 down, because they really believe that this guy made a free energy generator with spark plugs. I mean, yeah, it is what it is, and this is the reason also why I keep making these videos, to don't have people fall for these free energy scams. Yeah, okay, it's been a few hours now, it's still plugged in. There is still water on the floor, I haven't washed and clean, can be quite slippery, but our most important thing is that it is still on my refrigerator. And let's go check. Oh my god, look how much ice. That is awesome. Look how much ice. Woo. It works. We got free energy here. Oh my god. They're frozen. We got free energy, guys. My god, these things are so good. You should definitely try. Free energy, spark plugs and speakers. So yes, plenty of people that on a regular basis fall for these free energy videos that obviously are the most recommended from YouTube. So the more you watch, the more you convince yourself that someone eventually made a real free energy generator. You end up building them all pretty much until you realize and found out that most likely there is something wrong. Yeah, so if you're lucky, you end up watching one of my videos. There should be plenty of information to refresh your brain and mind. However, my recommendation to all of you guys is that please do not send do not send money to any free energy advertisers, and also do not try to build any free energy generator, because it's just a waste of time. Thank you guys for watching once again. See you next video.